Hi guys, it's the next day in the morning and I'm going for a walk. It's around 7 a.m. and this guy is another chachu, like my another dad's brother. He came today morning actually, early morning. So we are going walking. Hi Riddhi.
Hi.
You guys are like a seafood lover, so by the beach you have like the fresh seafood that the fishermen catch and then they give. They're all staring at me, but it's okay. I'm very used to awkwardness by now. Shells by the sea, right? How beautiful is that? And the water out here is so clean. Literally very clean and very pure. Like you can go for a swim and all out here. One thing that my chachu says while eating food. Di ene panpuniru. Nammane. Nammane. Panlere Riddhi. Nammane
urda, nammane neerda.
Which basically means
our village,
our food.
Food of our water.
Food of the water. Very organic and pure.
See?
Crop, the actual rice crop. So they take it from here and then it's like filtered in the factory, and yeah, look at how much there is and how fresh. That you'll get to know a lot of organic stuff which is grown here. Whenever I come across something, I'll make you guys go through it. Didi, आपने ये देखा green color का बाल नीचे से बनाया नहीं, परमानेंट है. कैसे लगा आपको? क्या क्या उल्लू नहीं, सच में है. फन नमिता आ रहेगा.
ग्रीनरी में आके ग्रीन किया.
हाँ. You cook, you make vegetables and everything out of this. We're done with our shower and we're all ready. Now we're heading to a temple now. I've got these two are twins, by the way. This is Aniha. This is Anika.
Not Aniha.
Then
Aniya.
Sorry. I'm Shakshi, if you didn't know that. This is my Chikama. Chikama means aunt. Hello. She's one cool lady. You are up, all the way up, head up. Yeah. Do you want more?
No.
Do you want one more?
Okay.
How cute. Guys, so this is the back side of the temple. Like the temple is right here, so there's an exit and then there's a way down to the beach. So the view out here is amazing. Pretty much the same, like the beaches are all like clean and really nice, but yeah, you got a very beautiful view of the beach out here right behind the temple. Hi guys, now we finished that temple. Now we are going to another temple which is Katil. In our language it's called Katil the Dever. Katil the Devi.
Udupi Krishna.
Are you excited? What are you going to pray?
I don't know now.
You don't know now? It's okay, but pray, okay? They're building this Ratha for the festival, in which they keep God, no, in the middle. This is how they build it. Ooh, quite some art.
Hello?
Hi, Anika, tell us a joke, please.
Okay. How does a chicken goes in the road? I got it. Stretching his legs and going. It's very funny, guys.
It is okay, it is very funny. So we are done with the mandir. And now I'm showing you all something which I absolutely love.
I'm going to show you something.
Yeah. What are we going to show? Our favorite ice cream, which is very popular in Mangalore.
Yeah!
Yay!
Yummy.
Yummy.
Because we don't have so much. Thank you.
For ice cream, got jelly.
Please enjoy sugar-free gutbur.
पूरा नहीं खाया
अच्छा नहीं है?
सीता
We've got dry fruits as well. It's called gulbar.
It's very yummy. Yummy. It's very yummy.
क्या? तुले green color. इंचा दो लून तारे. Nice. अच्छा है. काली तिरतिर दे.
दादा मलपुन आपकी नतीजा
दादा मलपुन.
आप
क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या करो बताइए ना
कैसे हो?
कैसे हो
सब्सक्राइब करो.
सब्सक्राइब करो
क्राइम करो.
कमेंट करो पक्का
और वीडियो देखते रहो.
वीडियो देखते रहो
जीते रहो.
पक्का
Hi guys, now we've come out to eat. It's not proper dinner, we're just snacking here. This is called Goli Bachai, guys.
What's this?
Hi guys, so we're back home and I've changed into home clothes and we've got some dinner. We're gonna have a feast, a family feast. Anyway, now I'm gonna first freshen up, and there's one thing that I have carried in this trip, and that's this product right here. This is the Body Cupid's Vitamin C Brightening Face Wash for dull and patchy skin. And usually I love using this while traveling, especially when the places are humid, exactly like the way it is here. It's very humid here during the day especially. So the skin does get very dull. So this is the Kakuro Plum Fruit Extract, which is a very rich source of vitamin C. It's sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free. So I've been using this since a while. So I thought, let me just take this also and use it in the trip. So I'm gonna go and wash my face with this, and yeah, I'm really liking this product. If you are looking for a good brightening face wash, this is recommended. I'll just quickly wash my face and catch you guys. Hi guys, so this is how my face looks. Like you all can see, it obviously looks a lot more fresh. Another tip that I would like to give you guys, which I've been doing for like years now, is I always wash my face twice every time, even when I wash my face or I'm taking a bath. If you guys are looking to buy this face wash, though, I'm gonna leave the links to this down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I've been really liking it. Anyway, like I said, now we're gonna have dinner, so yeah, I'm about to go do that.